Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to get your Tinder account unbanned. So if in the case that's your Tinder account got banned, for you violating the terms and conditions of Tinder, and you want to go ahead and basically have it back. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So, please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright you guys, so what we actually need to do first is to proceed with going over on our Tinder application. So if in the case that you cannot actually launch it or you cannot use it altogether since you are banned, well, there is actually nothing we can do about that, but we can actually work around this issue, and that is to go on over on our Safaris. And I want you to search for the Tinder Help Center. So once you're over onto the Tinder Help Center, I want you to tap on Submit a Request right here, if you can find this option. But essentially, what you need to go ahead and do here is to submit a specific request to Tinder for them to look into your specific problem. In this case, you got banned. So what I want you guys to do from here is to proceed with actually writing request. So I'm gonna tap on trouble with account login, and let's tap on I can't sign up or can't log in, my account was banned. And from here, just go ahead and type in your email address that you are using with the Tinder account that got banned, your phone number as well, and also a quick description of what the specific problem that you were experiencing. From here, basically, all we need to do is to describe to them and basically tell them in detail what specific problem we have. And once that is done, just go ahead and tap on attachments. Or if you wanna, go ahead and add some screenshots of the specific problem as evidence. You could also go ahead and do so, but once that is done, you may now proceed with tapping on submit and wait for a few business days until Tinder is gonna go ahead and solve the problem for you and give you some help. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe. And take care. Thank you.